How to fix Toyota app not working. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can fix if Toyota application is not working in a mobile device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. If your application is not working properly, the first thing that you have to make sure is that if the application is updated to its latest version. So to check that, open a Play Store and tap on the search icon from the bottom right corner, and in the search bar search for Toyota app. Now once you open it up, if you have update option where I have opened, that means the application needs to be updated. So simply tap on update, and once the update is complete, go back and check whether the problem is solved or not, or if the application is working properly. If still not, then the second thing, you have to go to your application setting in your mobile device. For that, navigate to your application in your mobile device, tap and hold in it. Then tap on app info. Once you're here, tap on storage and cache, then tap on clear cache. After clearing the cache, your application will work properly. So go back and check if that is working or not. If still not, the last option is to delete or uninstall the application and reinstall it back from the Google Play Store. So to do that, navigate to your application, tap and hold on it, tap on app info, then tap on uninstall, then tap on OK. After that, again you can open a Play Store in your device, tap on the search icon, and in the search bar search for Toyota app, and then again you can reinstall it from the Play Store. After you reinstall it, open up the application. Now your application will work fine. So that's how you can fix if Toyota app is not working in your device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.